Hey everybody, I just want to put out a little video here to give you a little guidance on how you might want to work on solving through these equations. So if we look at this one, this was the first one on your practice sheet. You end up having 3x plus 2 plus x equals x plus 5. Now remember, your goal is to get x on one side compared to a number. So a little suggestion is start with the line down the middle. This will show you that you have two sides. You have the left side and you have the right side, and then you can work from there. My first suggestion is to combine like terms. The only way we can do that is right here. We have a 3x and we have an x. Those come together to make 4x, and we have a plus 2. On the right side is still x plus 5. There's nothing to put together. Then I said you want to remove the smallest x. So you have 4x on one side and you have x on the other side. The smallest one is over here with the x. So to get rid of an x, you do minus x. Well, if you do it to one side, you got to do it to the other. So you can do minus x over here, which leaves you with 3x on this side plus 2, because that just comes straight down. And over here, we just have 0x, because that becomes a 0, and you're just left with 5. Now, I want these x's all by themselves. So I got to get rid of this 2 by taking away 2. And that becomes a 0. Well, if I take away 2 from there, I got to take away 2 from here, and I end up with 3. Well, I have 3x and 3. Well, that just means, see if I can move this over. Yeah. That just means I now have to divide by 3 over here, because that gives me 1x, and I divide by 3 over here, so I have x equals 1, and then I would be done with that one. So let's go over the rules again. Looking over here, I have 4x minus 2 minus 2x equals x minus 5. I suggest it gives you a visual to draw the line down the middle. We want to combine like terms. Again, it's only on the left side, and we have a 4x and a minus 2x. 4x minus 2x is just 2x. And we still have a minus 2. We have an x minus 5. Again, we have x's on both sides, so I want to get rid of one of the x's. I want to get rid of the smallest x, which is this one over here again. So we're going to do minus x on this side, minus x on this side. That becomes a 0 here, 0, and we're left with negative 5. Over here, 2x minus x is just x, and we've got a negative 2. Well, to get rid of a negative 2, you can add 2. That becomes a 0, because we want the x to be alone. So then if we want to add 2 to that side, we add 2 over here as well. Negative 5 plus 2 is just negative 3. And it's x on this side, and you are done. Hopefully this gives you a little bit of help. I'll do another video later tonight. I'll be posting the answers around 5 p.m. and hopefully this helps. Miss you guys. See ya.